Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel, where today guys, I'll be showing you how to share locations in Google Earth. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to Google and type in googleearth.com. After that, you just need to go and log in to Google Earth by going of course in with your Google account or email. But guys, now let's see what we have in front of us. In the top left corner, as you can see, we have the file, we have the view, the add option, tools, and the help option. Also, we have the search bar where you can go and search for a specific location. But now, guys, let's see how you can actually go and share locations in Google Earth. So it is pretty simple, and you just need to go and follow these few steps to know how to do it in no time. So as I already told you, open our Google Earth, and in the left-hand panel under Places, go to My Places and click the Place Mark Tour or other item you want to email. First of all, you of course need to go and find a place. You can go click on it like this. You can then, guys, go and easily go and, as you can see, you have the GUI project or the local KML file. You can of course store in any of these, but you can go to the GUI project and then you need to go to your Google Drive, and from there you can go and share the locations and everything to some of your friends, family, or whoever you want to go and share them to. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it will be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, as I told you, hope that you enjoyed the video, and I'll be seeing you in the next one. Until then, as always, bye guys.